Hey guys, this is Dirt and Rust here. Just thought I'd show you this little pocket knife I picked up today at the thrift store. It's half off Saturday. They wanted $9.99 for it, so I got it for basically about $5. And it's got an interesting little blade on there. Looks like a little scalpel or something. I don't know if that's for skinning or what. It's flat on the backside. I'm not sure what that is. But it's like a little scout. It says scout right here. I just oiled it, so I got oil all over my hands. So. And it's got a little bottle opener. And a little clip point. And it's an Imperial. It'll zoom in here. Anyway, I'll post some close-up pictures here in a couple of seconds. But that was my find for today, little pocket knife. Pretty cool. Just thought I'd show you.